Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Aspectverse. This is Shiva and today I am going to talk about how human will look like in future. If you have not seen my previous videos on human evolution from early life, take a look at it. You will know about how human got evolved from apes to modern human. Please watch and subscribe. We humans are finding new things every day. We are researching in science, technology, everything, and we are evolving as superhumans with the use of our intelligence. We are going to evolve so much compared to now. We will have bigger brain and our height will be increased by 10 centimeter compared to our normal height now. As we compare to our ancestors, our height increased by 10 centimeters compared to them. And we will gain more height as we evolve so much. And maybe we will have bigger brain and bigger eyes as compared to now. As we humans are suffering with so many health issues, scientists are now able to immune our body system and we can fight dangerous diseases like cancer, AIDS also in the future. In the future, cancer and AIDS are not a big deal for humans and scientists are now researching on having long life. Living more than 100 years in the future is not a big deal for humans. With the change in our genes and DNA, it might be possible in our future to live more than 100 years. With the change in our DNA, we can cure cancer and our body system will be changed. Our life expectancy will be much more and we can change the genes of the child before it born and we can set its genes as we want. Our technology itself now changed so much. We are getting prosthetic legs, hands and also heart. It will become artificial everything from now. We will have more like this in future. We will have artificial metal arms which can be more strong and can do impossible work as we can not do as humans. And we can have eyes which can scan our body and zooming system and our ear machines which can have recording system and noise cancellation system. Our half of the body can be turned into robot as we wish and can live like a real transformers. In the future, we will be able to collect our memory and DNA and make our clone and inject the memories in it. And if we die by the old age, we can live another life by this clone. As we can have same memories and feelings, we can live another life by the clone. We can make a clone of our loved ones if we lost them and take their DNA and memories and make a clone of them. And the clone will have same memories and the same person you want. China and Italy scientists are now working on this technology. As you can see now, our scientists are working on sending humans to Mars. In the future, we can live on Mars and Elon Musk and other space organizations also preparing to send humans to Mars and start life there. Because we will live on Mars, our body will be changed a little bit. Because the Mars has low gravity and low light and also low level of oxygen. As low level of gravity, our height will be grow by 6 to 7 inches in the Mars compared to Earth. And we will be able to live on low amount of oxygen as our lungs will be adjusted for that. And our pupil will be bigger because low level of light we need to focus on the object so our pupils will be bigger. Another technology we will have in future is hypersleep. As you've seen in so many movies, hypersleep is a state where humans can sleep for more than 100 years without being aged. This technology will help us when we want to go to another planet which will be far from Earth and start life there. As we can live for more than 100 years without being aged, we have more options to live on another planet if Earth is destroyed. We are able to colonize and start life there in another planet by this technology. And we will have more advanced technology for the future as we can change the DNA in this sperm and change the abilities of the newborn. We can inject the abilities and alter the DNA as how we wanted our newborn one should have. We can choose how the baby should born and what are the abilities it will have in future. And this is the video I have made on this how human will look like in future and what are the advanced technology we will have. If you like this video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video.